All right, everyone's wondering, where's all the Ellmans? We bought them all. We bought the excess because, you know, Sinus Shore really didn't want to deal with the small stuff. So we have them all here. Hand pieces, ground pads, Ellman, radio laces, dental the dental FFPFs, all of them. So whether you're looking to buy, sell, or trade, or repair an Ellman, there's one place to go. Doctor's Toy Store, conveniently located between Miami and Fort Lauderdale Airport. We're on 95. And you can mail them here. You can call us at 954-457-0075. But you want to make sure the maintenance is up to date, the output is where it is, and the power level is where it is. Because the power over time will go down. So you want to check them in, get them taken care of before you have any real problems. Once again, call the Doctor's Toy Store. You can call that 877-DRS-TOYS. Call today. Please subscribe to our channel. Real news for real doctors.